Are you looking to start working out at home but don't know where to begin? Well, you're not alone. The comfort and convenience of home workouts have made them a popular choice for beginners. The beauty of home workouts is that they offer flexibility. You can start slow and at your own pace, gradually ramping up the intensity as you grow stronger and more confident. So, are you ready to get moving? By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to kickstart your home workout journey. Before we dive into the workouts, let's understand the importance of a good warm-up. You see, a warm-up is like the overture to the symphony that is your workout. It sets the stage, primes your muscles, and gears your body up for what's to come. Just as a musician wouldn't perform without tuning their instrument, you shouldn't dive into a workout without preparing your body. Warm-ups increase your heart rate, kickstart your circulatory system, and wake up your muscles by increasing their temperature and flexibility. This not only improves performance, but also reduces the risk of injuries. Now imagine a simple yet effective warm-up routine that you can do at home. Start with some light cardio like marching in place. Follow this with some dynamic stretches like leg swings or arm circles. Finish with some bodyweight exercises like squats or lunges to really get those muscles fired up. Remember, a good warm-up is just as important as the workout itself. Now that we're warmed up, let's explore some beginner-friendly workouts. Today, we'll focus on 4 fundamental exercises that will set the stage for your fitness journey. First up, squats. A quintessential exercise that targets your lower body, specifically your thighs and glutes. Begin by standing tall, feet shoulder-width apart and toes pointing slightly outward. Lower your body as if you're about to sit on a chair, ensuring your knees don't go over your toes. Keep your back straight, chest lifted, and push your hips back. Hold for a moment when your thighs are parallel to the floor, then rise back up to the starting position. Remember, it's all about form, not speed. Next, we have lunges, another great exercise for the lower body, targeting your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. Stand tall, take a step forward with your right foot, and lower your body until your right knee is at a 90-degree angle, and your left knee is hovering above the floor. Push back up to the starting position and switch legs. Again, focus on maintaining a straight back and keeping your front knee from going past your toes. Now let's move to the upper body with push-ups. Start in a high plank position, hands directly under your shoulders and your body forming a straight line from head to heels. Lower your body until your chest almost touches the floor, then push up to the starting position. This exercise works your chest, shoulders, and triceps. If the standard push-up is too challenging, start with your knees on the ground. Finally, we have planks, a core strengthening exercise. Start in a forearm plank position, elbows under your shoulders and your body in a straight line. Hold this position as long as you can, aiming for at least 30 seconds to start. Remember to keep your core engaged and your body straight. These exercises form the foundation of any good workout routine. Practice these until you're comfortable before moving on to more complex exercises. Just finished your workout? Don't rush off just yet. Let's talk about the importance of cool-down exercises. You see, while it's easy to skip this part and head straight to the shower, cooling down plays a crucial role in your workout routine. It aids in recovery and helps prevent muscle stiffness. Think of it as a gentle transition for your body from a state of high activity to normalcy. Here's a quick, basic cool-down routine for you. Start with deep, calming breaths. Then stretch your major muscle groups, the legs, arms, and back. Hold each stretch for about 20 seconds. Follow this with a gentle walk to bring your heart rate down gradually. Remember, cooling down isn't about pushing your limits, it's about giving your body the time to unwind and recover. Cooling down is the perfect way to end your workout, helping your body to recover and prepare for the next session. So the next time you work out, don't forget to cool down. So you've got the basics down. What's next on your fitness journey? Well, we've covered quite a bit in a short time, haven't we? We began with the importance of warm-ups, those crucial exercises that prepare your body for the workout ahead. Remember, a good warm-up not only helps to prevent injury, but also maximizes the effectiveness of your workout. Then we moved on to some easy beginner workouts. We've given you a variety of exercises that can be done right at home with minimal equipment. Each one targets a different area of the body, ensuring a well-rounded fitness routine. After that, we stress the importance of cool downs. Like warm-ups, cool-downs are often overlooked but are vital to your workout routine. They help your body recover faster and reduce muscle stiffness. Now, it's over to you. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to seeing results. It may seem challenging at first, but with time you'll start to see progress, and that's when the real fun begins. Also, be patient with yourself. Fitness is a journey, not a destination. It's about making small, sustainable changes that will benefit you in the long run. So enjoy the process, celebrate your small victories and learn from your setbacks. Remember, your fitness journey is unique to you. Embrace it, enjoy it, and most importantly, keep moving.